Seeing a big fat zero next to your account balance is getting old, right? Sometimes you feel as though nothing is working. Everything is too complicated, and you have no idea where to start. In today's video, let's alter that. Even if you have never made money online, I want to help you instead of gazing at that big fat zero create your first $100, $200, or even $500. Because the majority of the work has already been done. This method has been tried and tested and consistently generates results with little effort. It is also accessible to all nations worldwide without any cost or investments. Make sure you watch all the way through to learn about this fascinating way to make money online. But before we get started, welcome to Daily Cash Tips, where we'll show you some brand new ways to make money online in 2022. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. To be notified every time a new profitable video from our channel is released, click the notification bell button. Share this with your friends and family as well, so that you and everyone else is aware of this excellent money-making technique. Simply leave a comment below if you have any queries, worries, or thoughts regarding the video. We look forward to reading them. Now let's begin the video. I'm going to discuss about Fiverr affiliates in today's video. Though I'm sure most of you have heard of the website Fiverr, we won't start advertising our services there. Instead, I want to demonstrate how to become a Fiverr affiliate in this video, which is something no one else has ever done before. You don't have to sell anything to anyone or offer any services in this situation. Instead, we're going to be wise and make daily commissions on the Fiverr platform. You can advertise Fiverr and persuade others to join up for a variety of services. By doing this, you can make money every day without having any experience or selling anything to anyone. Let me now respond to your main query. How much money can you make from this website? Don't worry, it's going to be a very straightforward lesson for anyone, especially novices. And at the end of this video, I'll show you a bonus where they'll do 100% of the work for you. We're going to look at the commission plan and see how much money you can earn from this website. The Fiverr CPA, $20 to $200, and the Fiverr Hybrid, $50 to $200, are essentially two different sorts of compensation plans, which you can view here. I'll go into greater detail on the operation of the complete approach. We'll start by taking a look at the $20 to $200 potential earning range of the Fiverr CPA commission. But how can we be certain that we will be able to make $20 or $200 depending on the categories and services you advertise? That will change. All of the services will be listed. Say for instance, that you wish to promote the Fiverr Pro services in order to earn $200 in commission from only one payment. I'll provide you a few samples of Fiverr Pro services you can recommend to others, including professional logo design services for $800, $1,000, $2,000, and right here, $3,000. They'll pay you a lot of commission above $200 since they're going to pay you hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The best aspect of this is that whether your customer purchases services worth $200 or $2,000, you may continuously earn $200 for every sale you successfully promote. If you keep watching, I'll show you a few methods for identifying potential customers for your marketing strategies and expose you to a number of Fiverr Pro services where you can consistently earn $200. Consider the scenario where you wish to endorse other services and receive a $100 commission. You can refer them to the animated explainers and whiteboard. I can view all the services they can recommend to others and receive a fixed $100 commission when I click on this link, regardless of the kind of service they buy. Let's assume that they only pay $10 for the service. It's still possible to earn $100, which is a fantastic commission structure. You can advertise any of these different categories and receive a flat commission of $100. For instance, you can earn a $50 commission in the categories of e-commerce development, mobile design, and web design. For a $40 referral fee, you can direct them to this company's logo designer, web programmer, website content writer, proofreader, and other services. From there, $30 in commission is frequently charged for writing, article creation, voice acting, and virtual support. You can receive $20 for the last category. I'll demonstrate the shortcut in this video, which is the best approach to profit from the Fiverr affiliate network. I'll demonstrate how to consistently aim for a $200 commission. I want you to think about the possibility of earning $200 per day or $6,000 per month if you can recommend just one person and close just one sale each day. By directing consumers to these Fiverr Pro services, you can do this. This is a lot better method for freelancers looking to earn money on Fiverr because, for instance, if the buyer pays $100 for this one, you might make $200 in commission. Through Fiverr Hybrid, you may make commission in a second way. They won't give you a sizable commission all at once. Instead, they'll give you $15. Whatever services you recommend, they'll pay you $15 and then give you a 10% cut of their profit for the following 12 months. For instance, if you recommend a $200 service to a client and let's assume they use it, you will only receive $15. But you will still be entitled to 10% of all their future expenditure. You can utilize the complete commission structure, but I personally like the Fiverr CPA method because I can get paid immediately for the one-time commission. In this manner, I may receive payment more quickly, and by focusing on the Fiverr Pro services, we can continue to make $200. In summary, that's how the compensation system operates and how much money you can make from this. If you're interested in joining Fiverr as an affiliate, click the Join Now button at the top. Following that, select the private account type and input your first and last name, email address, chosen username, and password. Then, as you can see, you simply choose your nation from the drop-down menu beneath the country area because they typically welcome members from all around the world. From there, you can choose your languages, phone number, and, if you have one, your Skype number. Then, just click the next button to register. In this video, I'll show you 3 additional free strategies for driving traffic to and referring people to Fiverr Pro services. These are all examples of the services that you can use to reference and continually make $200 in commission, since we're going to examine the Fiverr Pro services right there. Due to the high demand for it and the abundance of internet resources that will teach you how to do it for free, I think it is best to focus on the graphic and design area based on my personal experience. For instance, you should click the category link under graphic and design if you want to refer visitors to this page on logo design. As you can see, they provide a range of packages, and regardless of whether you sell pricey or budget-friendly packages, you will still be paid the same commission. So, we should point them in the direction of much cheaper options. Click this link to view a $300 example if you'd want to see one. The Level 1 Seller service, which a lot of people actually like utilizing, is visible there. If your potential clients decide to purchase the $300 basic package after hearing about this service from you, you'll be paid $200 commission. Right now, going to reddit.com will provide you a lot of recommendations for this service. This website works like a forum where many people post questions for others to answer, and you may join for free. For instance, you can use a search box like this one, where to buy a logo, to look up a certain topic on Reddit. Then you can see if anybody else has asked the same question in the Reddit discussion. Look at the purchasers who are immediately inquiring about where they can purchase a logo. You may then simply direct them to these Fiverr services and direct them there, where they will sell the services to them. If one person purchases one service per day, you can make $200 per day without doing any effort by simply posting a short remark to that on Reddit. That's it for now. I hope this video was able to teach you something and that I was able to show you a different way to make money online. Please remember to hit the like button and subscribe to this channel if you enjoy this video. You may be notified when we upload new videos by pressing the notification bell button. Watch for our upcoming video, and I'll see you there.